Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet family and sweet friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. Okay, if someone's suffering from any fever, disease, any pain, I wish and I pray to may Allah give them good health. Ameen. Summa Ameen. So let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, top trending fashion, short pixie haircutting and hairstyling ideas for ladies and girls. So please do support my all videos with family. Okay guys, you can see in this video very amazing and very perfect ideas about beautiful cutest short pixie haircutting ideas and hairstyling ideas. It's all our amazing and adorable elegant style about short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edge pixie, messy pixie and spiky pixie also. It's the cutest ideas about short pixie. It's most wonderful ideas about beautiful short pixie, long pixie, shaggy, edgy, messy and spiky pixie also. It's a fantastic and fabulous about beautiful cutest pixie ideas. So please guys, don't skip my video, don't go anywhere, don't forget sharing this video. It's amazing and adorable ideas. Short pixie haircutting. So it's a wonderful haircutting ideas. It's beautiful haircutting ideas, beautiful hairstyling ideas for ladies and girls. Wow, it's fantastic and fabulous ideas, cutest short pixie haircutting. Some are golden pixie, brown pixie, shaggy, edgy, messy and spiky, also grey and brown, and also silver pixie haircutting ideas. It's adorable and elegant styles, short pixie haircutting ideas. It's all are fantastic and fabulous. Short pixie haircutting ideas. It's most attractive and most demanding video, most demanding fashion ideas about short pixie. So don't skip my video. You can easily try these all beautiful short pixie on your own hair. It's fantastic and fabulous about short pixie haircutting ideas. When you visit my channel, you can get many more ideas about beautiful short pixie, long pixie, shaggy, edgy, messy and spiky pixie haircutting ideas. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's a most demanding video, most demanding fashion ideas. short pixie. Fantastic and fabulous for short pixie. When you visit my channel, you can get many more ideas about short pixie, long pixie, short bob, long bob, stacked bob, graduated bob, inverted bob, also beautiful bob hair cutting ideas. So please guys, if you are a uni girl, college girl, if you are a working woman, office lady, house lady, you can easily try this all beautiful short pixie on your own hair. And when you if you are applying these beautiful ideas, then please go your own salon, go your own parlor. You can easily try these all beautiful pixie hair cutting ideas on your own hair, and you will be so happy. You look like a beautiful girl, you look like a model and modern, and you look like a celebrity. So please guys, when you visit my channel, you can get many more ideas about beautiful short pixie. Its cutest ideas about beautiful short pixie, long pixie, shaggy, edgy, messy. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. Guys, if you want to get many more ideas about beautiful short pixie, so please like, comment and don't forget sharing, and please visit my channel. You can get many more ideas about pixie, bob, and also layered hair cutting ideas. It's adorable and fantastic ideas about beautiful short pixie. When you visit my channel, you can get many more ideas about beautiful short pixie. You can easily try these all pixie hair cutting ideas on your own hair, anytime, anywhere, any day, any time, and any function, winter season, summer season. Mostly over 50 like these all beautiful hair cutting ideas. It's too much attractive and impressive ideas, stylish ideas, adorable ideas. Wow, it's cutest and beautiful ideas about short pixie. Okay guys, now we have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching, but please don't skip my video and don't go. You don't go anywhere, because it's video bring for you 70 plus images for photos with pictures, images, pixie hair cutting. So please watch my video till the end, but I am going. Take care, see you, bye bye.